If there's one thing that most people know about Dodo birds, it was they were dumb. If they had been human, they would have been this kind of person who changes pants while driving. Yes, legend has it, this creature was only really very dangerous to itself, a true poster child for the Darwin Awards. At least that's the story we've been fed. But is it true? Turns out, the whole story that the dumb Dodo get itself hunted to extinction by being so stupid may have been a big load of doo-doo. Leon Claessens, professor of vertebrate paleontology and evolution at the Netherlands Maastricht University, believes that the Dutch sailors who first encountered the birds in 1598 didn't actually hunt the birds to extinction, though the sailors may have caused the demise of the species. Previously, it was believed that the birds were fat and were hunted for food. But in the dense jungle of their native Mauritius, these birds may have been much leaner than previously thought, and therefore not as appetizing for a meal. Further, these jungles would have made it much harder for the hundreds of sailors to catch the birds, regardless of how unafraid dodos were of human beings. Claessens believed the real problem was rats and other animals that would have landed with the sailors. These animals would have been very quickly multiplying an unrestricted habitat and would have feasted on dodo eggs and then outpitted them for food, a double extinction whammy. And then the triple whammy hit, rapid habitat loss. The island of Mauritius was not initially considered very valuable, just a place for ships to stop over. Some of the islands were cursed due to a large amount of shipwrecks at that area. That all changed when Dutch realized they could export the island's ebony wood for sale, which became the island's primary economic activity. Not long after that, settlers were turning the one wild island into a big agriculture plantation, leading to a heavy deforestation and loss of native plant species. The forests that provided natural protection for dodo birds gave way to sugarcane fields, making the birds oversized sitting ducks for any predator who came along, as dodos have no fight ability.